hope you're doing well. Thank you for visiting my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. In today's reading, let's take a look at your romantic love life for this week of May 2024. Tingnan natin ang romantic intention ng inyong new person that you are currently dealing with, or a returning person sa buhay mo. Let's see what's happening or what will happen this week. Pwede nyong panoorin ang inyong Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. Thank you, Aquarius. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell. Let's see how your love life unfolds and what you can expect. Aquarius. Space. Disagreements. Destiny. Overwhelmed. Space. I need more time to think. Kailangan mo ng oras, Aquarius. Kailangan mo ng space. Okay? Kailangan mo lumayo-layo muna para makapag-isip about sa inyong relationship. For some of you, you don't know kung ano yung para sa inyo. Okay? May mga iniisip kayo about sa work, hindi lang sa relationship. Maybe you're thinking about your priorities in life. For some of you, may mga disagreements, okay? Hindi pagkakaintindihan, magkaiba ang inyong prinsipyo. That's why you need more time to think about that person, about the relationship with him or her. You need some time alone, Aquarius, okay? Kasi minsan, yun lang din yung paraan para makapag-isip ka ng mabuti, ma-analyze mo ang mga sitwasyon, yung mga bagay na nasa paligid mo, affecting your relationship, okay? Disagreements. I wish you understood how I feel. Merong mga hindi pagkakaintindihan, okay? You're not seeing eye to eye with your partner. For some of you, feeling niya hindi mo siya naintindihan or hindi ka niya naintindihan sa sitwasyon mo ngayon, Aquarius. Kailangan mo ang kanyang talinga, okay? Kailangan mo ng listening ears. Maybe you have some problems na iniisip ngayon and hindi ka niya maintindihan, hindi ka maintindihan ng partner mo. Or this is the other way around, okay? May mga gusto ka pa sa buhay or siya, and that is something na kailangan ninyong pag-usapan. Destiny. I am struggling to find the right path, okay? For some of you, mas nananaig sa inyo ang inyong career or ang inyong trabaho. You seem you don't know yet what you want in life, Aquarius. Okay? Or this is your partner. Gusto niya ang relationship nyo. He or she wants to stay with the relationship. But at the same time, may iba siyang path na gusto. Okay? Baka meron pa siyang gustong abutin. Okay? Gusto niya pang ma-reach yung mga pangarap niya. And bumabagabag sa kanya ang inyong relationship, Aquarius. Okay? Or bumabagabag sa'yo yung relationship ninyo because you don't know what to do. You have to set your priorities first. You have to set your priorities right. Okay? For some of you, you don't know if you're going to stay in the relationship or not. Maybe some of you will be relocating, okay? Mag-iibang bansa or magiging iba yung location ng work. And you're thinking about the relationship. And this is too much for you already. Nasi-stress ka na. Nadi-drain ka na. Okay, Aquarius? you need some air. Okay, siguro kailangan mong lumabas, okay, para makapag-isip-isip ka. Spend some time alone, sit with yourself. Hingi ka ng guidance, okay, through meditation. And at the same time, think about your intentions, okay? Anong gusto mong mangyari sa buhay mo, sa relationship mo. So, yun yung mga kailangan mong malaman first, okay? Tingnan natin pa yung mga ibang messages. For Aquarius love situation. Excuse me. Okay. Yeah. For some of you, you are dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Sagittarius, and Leo. Okay. The person wants to talk to you. Okay, Aquarius, gusto niyang pag-usapan na maging maayos ang sitwasyon ninyo. Balansehin ang inyong sitwasyon, work, and relationship. Maybe this person is also busy, Aquarius. Gusto niyang pag-usapan kung ano yung problema mo. Okay? This person simply wants to make peace with you. Okay? He or she can handle things well pagdating na sa relasyon or even at work. Okay? He or she is very strong. Kahit anong hirap pa ang dinadanas ng taong ito, yung inner strength niya nandiyan, hindi siya basta-basta natitinag or natatalo, hindi siya nagpapatalo sa pagod, hindi siya nagpapatalo sa mga responsibilidad, even sa prinsipyo niya, okay? He or she is a brave person, and at the same time, he knows how to deal things well, okay? Nababalanse niya yung magulo na bagay na naayos niya, okay? Natitame niya ang situation. Ayaw ng gulo yung taong ito. Okay? This person wants to help you reach your goals, okay? Kung ano yung gusto mo, anong makakabuti sa'yo, yun din yung gusto niya para sa inyo, Aquarius, okay? Yeah. Kaya niya or gusto niyang ipaglaban ang relationship ninyo. Okay? Gusto niyang ipaglaban. Para sa kanya, kaya malagpasan kung ano man yung mga challenges sa relationship ninyo, maayos niya or maayos ninyong dalawa. He or she is an attractive person, Aquarius. Okay? And you feel attracted ka din sa kanya. Okay? But you yourself, you feel na this person also is nag-overthink din. Okay? Maybe this person is a distraction to you. Or you are feeling mo hindi lagi kang nag-iisip ng negative, okay? I'm sorry, Aquarius, but the situation is okay, pero para sa'yo, parang ang hirap ng sitwasyon ninyo ngayon, okay? You are thinking too much. Negative thoughts naglilinger sa mind nyo, sa isip nyo, sa ulo nyo, okay? Aquarius, this person is a confident person, okay? Masayahin. You need to be confident, okay? Do not underestimate yourself. na hindi kaya ng relasyon ninyo makasurvive. Okay? You feel na parang wala ng pag-asa ang relasyon ninyo. Parang ang dami mong iniisip, work, relationship at the same time na kailangan pang ayusin. Parang wala kang tiwala sa relasyon ninyo, Aquarius. Okay? You think that this person is very confident or merong insecurities kasi. Okay? Parang na-insecure ka kasi itong tao na to is parang better kesa sa iyo. Okay? Do not underestimate yourself. Be confident. Okay? Kailan mo din gumawa ng paraan or siya, kailan niya rin gumawa ng paraan para ma-revive yung relationship, maibalik yung happiness, okay, yung confidence, yung excitement sa relasyon. Okay? There will be a transformation or a change of dynamics in your relationship, okay? Ito yung kailangan ninyo ngayon. Kailangan ng mag-transform, kailangan mag-improve, hindi kailangan maghiwalay, okay? Aquarius, you don't need to end the relationship. Kasi parang yung taong ito, willing siya mag-give way, okay? Very supportive siya sa'yo. Maintindihan ka niya kung ano yung kailangan or kung ano yung gusto mo. But then you just have to express it, say it to him or her. Be confident. Kung ano yung problema mo or bumabagabag sa isip mo, na ikaw lang nakakaalam, you need to be communicative, okay? Express it, say it to him or her. Kasi, makakatulong yung tao na to sa'yo. Okay? This person wants to have a good life with you. But you are overthinking. You are thinking negative about the relationship. Insecurities. Okay? Siguro na-overpower ka ng partner ninyo. You feel or you think that he or she is better than you. Maganda yung katayuan niya sa buhay, yung sitwasyon niya. And ikaw, parang low self-esteem. Okay? Or it's the other way around. Okay? So, kailangan magbago isa sa inyo or ikaw, you need to change your mindset. You need to transform to be a better person, to be understanding at the same time. Aquarius. Bottom of the deck is the Hermit, okay? You need to spend time alone para pag-isipan or para mag-isip about sa relasyon nyo, sa sitwasyon ninyo. Okay? Siguro kailangan mo lang ng, kailangan mo lang makapagpahinga. Okay? You can go to the beach. You can go to the park. Think about the good things. Okay? About sa relationship ninyo, kung paano to maayos. Okay? The answers are within you, Aquarius. Ikaw lang din ang makakasagot sa iyong pinoproblema, sa iniisip mo. Okay? Ikaw lang makapagbigay ng solusyon sa situation ninyo. Okay? Because the other person is just waiting for you. He or she wants to be with you. He or she is very strong. Kalmadong tao. Very practical. You have a good person beside you, Aquarius. Okay? But you know everything will be okay. So you just need some time alone para makapag-isip ka. Siguro kailangan mo lang ng breather, ng ibang outlet. Okay? Para ma-revive mo yung ma-revive mo yung magandang relationship nyo before. Okay? Let us see kung ano pa yung mga mensahe sa'yo. More message please for Aquarius. Aquarius. Just being near you is intoxicating. Okay? So, hindi mo lang alam, yung partner mo is intoxicating ka. I mean, para sa kanya, he or she is okay pag nandyan ka. Okay? He or she wants to be with you. Parang nawawala yung pagod niya. Okay? Pag nandyan ka, everything is okay para sa kanya basta nandyan ka lang. I don't react when people mention you. Okay? I am grateful for the spiritual lesson. Okay. I don't react when people mention you. Yun yung sinasabi sa'yo ng partner. Maybe kinakamusta kayo ng mga kaibigan ninyo and all that. And instead of telling na hindi maganda or may nangyayari na kailangan yung isettle, she or he opted to say nothing. Okay, hindi niya sinasabi kasi nire-respeto niya at pinipreserve niya yung samahan or relationship ninyong dalawa. Sometimes I stay awake thinking about you. Okay, for some of you, iniisip mo din talaga yung sitwasyon at yung partner mo. I want to feel that way again. Yes. Okay, so you need to revive the relationship, ibalik yung excitement, okay? Need to be creative kung ano pa yung mga pwedeng gawin, okay? Para maging masaya uli ang samahan ninyong dalawa, okay? Don't think too much, Aquarius, okay? Baka wala naman talagang problema, it's just that you just need some space, you need just some time alone. Very, siguro toxic ka na sa work, okay? And then, about sa relationship, may mga bumabagabag sa'yo, okay? May nagko-cross yung, para sa'yo is nagko-cross yung relationship doon sa gusto mong mangyari sa future mo or sa path na gusto mong gawin. Okay, Aquarius? So, that's the message for you. Thank you so much. See you on the next video. Bye!